Recently, a participant in one of our live Enigma Tune-Up classes asked if I could turn an excess belt routing hack that I shared in class into a video on this channel. So of course, I'm here doing it. But first, if you're struggling to get your Enigma dialed in, or you would just like a little extra help getting started, please consider hopping in on our next Enigma Tune-Up class. You'll find more information about that in the description box below. But in this video, I'm gonna share a quick and easy tutorial on how you can fold and stow your excess belt material so that it does not print or pull. When you get your Enigma in, you might notice that there's quite a bit of excess belt material, but don't worry, you can easily trim it with scissors and sear the edge with a lighter. But before you do that, you'll want to listen to a few quick tips. Before trimming your excess belt material, it's really important to make sure that you don't trim off too much. If you trim off too much before considering where you're actually going to place your Enigma, then you might run out of room for adjustment later on. For this portion of the video, you're going to need your Enigma, a lighter, a measuring tape, and scissors. So to make sure that you don't trim off too much, I would recommend locating the widest portion of your torso where you might reasonably carry a gun. Here you'll see 3 body types on screen. You'll also see where I've marked the widest portion of their body. Once you've located the widest portion of your torso, put your Enigma on in this location and tighten your belt. From there, I would recommend measuring your belt from the outer edge of your buckle to about 6 to 8 inches. This is where you'll cut the excess material off, then sear with a lighter so that it does not fray over time. Great, now that we have our excess belt material cut, obviously we still have about 6 to 8 inches to stow. So this is where my quick folding hack comes into play. This hack is gonna help you fold your excess material so that it's easy to don and doff while still remaining slim and secure. You'll wanna start by folding your belt straight down. This will form almost a triangular shape off the edge of your buckle. Next, you'll want to tuck your belt tail directly under the tight waistband portion of your Enigma belt. Make sure to fold your belt tail under instead of attempting to feed it through from top to bottom. Folding your belt tail this way should take up almost all the excess belt and keep it from printing or rubbing. And that's it. We hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you, and don't forget to check out our available resources for more tips and tricks like this. I'd suggest starting in the description box below. Check out our playlists on this YouTube channel or go to the Learn drop-down menu on our website.